is a vintage Singer Sewing Machine, the Stylist Zigzag model 457. Just going to test it out, see if it works here. The light works. Well, it sounds like it on 5 it hits the thing there. Let's try 4 there. 4 looks alright, I guess. So on 5 it hits the thing. Yeah, it sounds like on 5 it hits the thing, but it's with these here. I don't know even know what it does. Try pushing this up to fine. I'll put it back on 1 just for the heck of it. Alright, and so if I push this, I can't seem to push this down any farther. Oh, there we go. Oh, you can't even see it, I'm sorry. It was this thing here, but this apparently locks it or something. So I unscrewed that, and then that's good. The bobbin winder on. Uh-oh. Bobbin winder maybe has, oh, no, it looks like maybe the bobbin winder has an issue. Or I'm not doing it right or something. Yep, it's not really spinning. If you hold it there, you hold the switch there, it spins. So maybe that can just be tightened up or something. I don't know. Let's try it in 1. I don't know what that even does. Or this for that matter. So there it is. It's a working machine, except for the bobbin winder thing needs to be adjusted.